How to disable a Snapchat notifications in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you don't want to do this in your browser. You don't have to do this in your Snapchat app. Firstly you have to go to the settings. When you click on the settings, you can firstly what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and then you have to find the notification. When you find the notification, you have to click on the notifications, and when you click on the notifications, you can see in the bottom all the apps. So you can see and you have to find the Snapchat, and here for me this Snapchat is here. So you have to toggle these two off, and then you have disabled the Snapchat notifications. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.